Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the auto delete search history feature on the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on search history, which is the fourth button, and after that you should tap on this history button in the left side column and then tap on this auto delete section, which is the second one, and then you can set so you can select from 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. So tap on the relevant one to delete activity older than this set time frame, and then you should tap on the button next, and after that you should tap on the confirm button, and as you can see your preference has been saved, so tap on the got it button. And basically that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.